Go play with her. Careful. Peyton, now no, that's not good. Put her. Okay, now you're in trouble. Was Dora going to be a cheerleader?
Me too.
You too? You better go take it from her.
But her could be a lead cheater too.
A lead trailer.
Yeah. Now, Dora, with us, Mommy! That's mine.
Dora. And you guys are making a big mess.